Hi, Julianne again with Sterling Credentials. In this video, I'm going to take a very detailed look at the what I'm calling part 1 of 3 of the Student Minimum Competency Matrix, your guide to completing your paramedic education. It's all the experiences you must have prior to being deemed complete in the program. Reminder where to find it over here on the toolbar on the left-hand side of your dashboard, your SMC. And you click that, it's going to give you this view. And I just want to point out, each of these are tabs. All right, and so if you click on the tab, then you'll see the accompanying chart. All right, we're going to organize this. Oh no, that's already did that. Skills days, deep dive into skills days. So as a reminder, these are your lab motor skills based on skill sheets. Click the pin to join the session. And at the completion of each skill, it'll dump into the appropriate table. And we're going to look at more specifics on these tables next. All right, table 3. This is your COA required, basically tracking of your advanced skills. The motor skills are things you have to be able to accomplish by the time you finish paramedic school. I would encourage you just to read the column headings because they're really going to tell you, all the information you need to how to get Sterling to do it, because we basically use the same terminology as the COA. So successful, formative. All right, successful means it was patent if you're talking about an IV. So while you may do 5 things in the lab or five evaluations of the IV skill check sheet, if only 2 of those had a patent line as a result, then only 2 will be listed here. The others you'll be able to see under course progress on your dashboard. Formative, this is I'm learning, I'm forming my technique, I'm forming my skill. So kind of the stumbling, bumbling, whatever, but they only want us to tell them the culmination of the deal. And this is because some people, it may take 1 or 2 times to be successful and reach this final 2 successful formative evaluations. And for some people, it might take 10. And so that is the logic behind recording the successful attempts only. Motor skills assessed in the lab. And so that tells you right there that it's lab skill sheets in our lab session. I'm going to go over column 2 later because it does not get populated by lab sessions. Table 5, these are the basic skills that they expect you to come in with to even start the program. And so just a couple things to point out here. NPA, OPA, and suctioning, these are all 3 on the same skill sheet. So I'm going to actually triple dip you on that one. Cervical collar, I left that embedded in supine immobilization. So I'm always trying to, as efficiently as possible, record your activities in all the appropriate places. Finally, we have the NREMT portfolio requirement. It's a separate body. And their one list is mixed. COA has it divided out between basic and advanced, but the portfolio has advanced. There's about 5 basic and a couple more advanced down below. Again, these are motor skills evaluated by skill sheets in the lab. And that's it for lab skills days. So you should readily be able to check. And I would encourage you, watch it like a hawk, because right now in February of 2022, we have not put this through the testing ringer that we would like to. So we need you to really pay attention and make sure we get you the credits that you deserve. I will see you on part 2.